Thank you for your purchase of Dash Thunder Tricycle. This beautiful product comes with strong body, wide wheelbase, and attractive looks. This beautiful product can be assembled in some simple steps by using these parts. You will also need a piler and a screwdriver to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body and place rear wheels to the main body with the help of axle pin on both sides. It's time to insert front fork complete to main body to be able to place handle. Now place handle to the fork with the lep of lock button. Fix gondole to fork with the help of plastic bolt. Now is the time to place seat to main body. Fix seat to the main body with the help of provided butterfly nuts. Place rear basket to the main body with the help of plastic bolt and butterfly nuts. Your beautiful Thunder TRI cycle is now ready to use.